Let's have fun and learn. Hi friends. Let's learn the 4 seasons. Spring is here. Look, flowers are blooming everywhere. In spring, flowers bloom as the weather gets warmer. It's a time to play outside, plant trees, and feel the warm sunshine. Spring has 3 months. March, April, May. Let's see what happens in the next season. Summer is here. The days are long, hot, and full of sunshine. It's a time to swim, eat ice cream, and enjoy the sunny days. Summer has 3 months. June, July, August. Let's see what happens in the next season. Autumn is here. The weather starts to get cool, and sometimes it rains. Trees change color, and the leaves begin to fall. Look, the leaves are falling everywhere. It's so much fun to jump and play in the leaves. Autumn has 3 months. September, October, November. Let's see what happens in the next season. Winter is here. Everything is cold and covered in snow. Children love to build snowmen and play outside in the snow. Winter has 3 months. December, January, February. Every season is special in its own way. Let's say them together one more time. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Great job, everyone. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.